Hurricane Irma. It's not going to be our friends. Right now we are preparing, pulling chairs in, boarding windows. It's not going to be a fun time for us. Tell some of the trees blowing. The winds are starting to pick up now. There's a bird. Trying to see what else we've done that I can show you guys. We'd have all these hanging plants around, and sorry, I just sweat a lot. We've moved them all back here. They're all sitting back here. They would hang on the trees, and all these plants are just sitting back here until this hurricane goes by. So this is my tree here. Hopefully he doesn't get uprooted. There are a bunch of ants in that little cat. It's just a model. It's not real. Yeah, we're boarding windows and moving stuff inside. As you can see here, we have all this stuff sitting. And you can see over there, we're boarding windows.
For Saturday has been canceled for residents of the unincorporated Sarasota.
See here, all the wood we're using to board the windows was in the garage. But now, it used to be right over here in this corner actually. But we're using it to board the windows. Oh, there's the second one we boarded. It's the garage window right here. Just a bug. So you can see, it's right there. Boarded it. And we are.
Bobby.
What?
Buddy.
They're over there boarding more windows. There's a lizard sitting right here. Hey, buddy. And he's gone. Oh, there's another one. Hey, buddy. What's up? What's up, buddy?
Over here. Out there watching us.
And there's a lizard sitting up there watching them.
He's been there.
There's another window they boarded.
All that noise we're making, he's still there.
See, looking. He's just staring down at us.
Yeah. I wonder what the hell's going on.
Really. He's literally just sitting up there watching us. Oh, there's the third window we boarded.
Sides are done.
Oh. I guess we'll check the sides then. They're boarding this one right now. Over here. Have these. These windows are boarded. So that we're getting another one. I'm gonna put it on in. See, it's starting to get a bit overcast up there. It's kind of hard to tell, but yeah.
This would be a document for posterity.
And they're gonna put it in.
Just set it on the ledge. Gotta come down toward you a little bit. Oh, that one's stuck. Now we're lined up. Do the Hulk.
There you go.
Hulk smash.
No. There we go. There's another one. Watching the news right now. Sunday, 8 p.m.
forecast track, the center track, just kind of grazes areas around the
So
and then the forecast error kind of enlarges as
we're
it gets closer
somewhere.
down, so
Let
it
me.
could
We're
still
somewhere
be
in this
outdoors,
area.
and it
Somewhere
could
in
still
here.
be further inland, moving closer
Somewhere
to
in here.
Truett, Arcadia. It's just too early to tell you.
So we're not completely in its path, but yeah, we're gonna get a lot.
Is a likely chance
So we're
for
somewhere
the
in
storm
here.
to be located as we head into tonight and especially toward early tomorrow morning. So 125.
It's 11:24 a.m. right now.
At 8 p.m., making it onshore as a Category 3 storm, and then slowly lifting northward across areas in Charlotte Harbor. Now, a track that takes it over Charlotte Harbor would have significant impact in terms of what areas of the coastline might get those direct onshore winds that could affect storm surge. Storm surging very,
Of course,
forecasting
Miami over
very
here is completely
difficult
fine.
because it so has to deal with the strength of the storm at the time and the location of the storm as well. But this is a big, expansive storm, so there is a good likelihood that impacts will be felt in terms of how much storm surge we get over the area that the storm surge will be felt. The thing is that we'll probably see the greatest impact from surge
Monday, 8
after
a.m.
the system has lifted a little bit further to the north. On this forecast track, Tampa Bay would have a greater issue, I think, with an onshore wind flow, and especially the areas of eastern Tampa Bay, the shoreline there. Also, as it lifts north, the winds will start to push that water back into Tampa Bay and the northern coast of Manatee County.
Yard's pretty good. Before. Hopefully it won't look too bad after the hurricane, but yeah, and you're in it. Alright. Last window. It is Sunday morning, July 10th, 2017, and you can kind of start to see it started to rain. Let's see. Oh, hitting the ground there. It's a little bit hard to tell that rain's coming down on my camera, but there's definitely rain. But, yeah. There's not really been too much wind. Wind was the main thing we were going to need to worry about. Then again, the power going out. And we can't go outside either because of the pressure in the house, so. I'll keep showing you guys what happens later in the day.